Imagine packing everything you need for a week-long vacation into a single carry-on bag with room to spare. No oversized suitcase. No waiting at baggage claim. No dragging heavy luggage through airports or city streets. The secret isn't packing more, it's packing smarter. In this video, I'll show you exactly what belongs in your carry-on, how to maximize every inch of space, and a few professional packing tricks that can make traveling easier. Let's get packing. 1. Start with the essentials. Before you pack anything else, make sure these items are in your carry-on. Passport or government-issued ID, wallet with credit cards, boarding pass, hotel reservations, travel insurance information, emergency contact information. A great tip is to keep these items together in a travel document organizer so everything is easy to find when you need it. 2. Tech that earns its space. Your phone has become one of the most valuable travel tools you own. Pack, smartphone, charging cable, portable power bank, wall charger, international power adapter if you're traveling overseas, earbuds or headphones. Keeping all of your electronics together in one organizer makes airport security and hotel check-ins much easier. 3. Pack less, wear more. This is where most travelers make their biggest mistake. They pack too many clothes. Instead, choose clothing that can be mixed and matched. A great one-week carry-on wardrobe includes 4 or 5 shirts, 2 pairs of pants or shorts, 1 lightweight jacket or sweater, 5 sets of underwear, 5 pairs of socks, sleepwear, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes. Choose neutral colors so every shirt works with every pair of pants. You'll have plenty of outfit combinations without overpacking. 4. Pack like a pro. Professional travelers know a few simple tricks that save a surprising amount of space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Place socks inside your shoes. Wear your heaviest shoes and jacket while traveling instead of packing them. These small tricks can leave extra room for souvenirs when it's time to head home. 5. TSA-Friendly Toiletries. When flying, remember the carry-on liquid rules. Most airports follow the 100 milliliter or 3.4 ounce rule. That means each liquid, gel, cream, or aerosol must be 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less. All of your liquid containers should fit inside 1 clear quart-sized resealable bag. Each traveler is generally allowed 1 clear bag. Pack travel-size versions of toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, sunscreen, moisturizer, hand sanitizer, deodorant. 1 important tip: if a container is larger than 3.4 ounces, airport security may not allow it through, even if it's almost empty. Always check the security rules for your departure airport before you travel. 6. Keep medications close. Always keep prescription medications together in an easy-to-reach pouch. Also consider bringing pain reliever, allergy medicine, motion sickness tablets, bandages, antiseptic wipes. These items take almost no room, but can save your vacation if you suddenly need them. 7. Small items that make a big difference. These are the items travelers often forget. Pack sunglasses, empty reusable water bottle, pen, reusable shopping bag, small laundry bag, travel pillow if space allows, reading glasses or contact lens supplies. Small items don't take much room, but they often become the most useful things you packed. 8. The final carry-on check. Before you zip your suitcase closed, ask yourself, do I have my passport, my wallet, my phone and charger, my medications, my travel documents? Can every piece of clothing be worn with something else? Do I still have a little extra room? If the answer is yes, congratulations. You've packed smarter, not heavier. Conclusion: traveling with just a carry-on gives you more freedom. You'll move through airports faster, avoid waiting for luggage, and spend more time enjoying your destination instead of worrying about your bags. Remember, Pack for what you'll actually use, not for every possible situation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Travel 360 Productions, and turn on notifications for more travel planning tips, destination guides, and practical travel advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.